Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PeerStreet, full guide step by step clearly. To register with PeerStreet, start by visiting the PeerStreet website. Look for the sign up button typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address and create a secure password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling in your information, read through PeerStreet's terms of service. Check the box to agree to the terms. Once completed, click the Create Account button to submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the PeerStreet website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you may need to complete your profile information. Provide any additional details requested, such as your name and location. Verify your identity by uploading any necessary documents if prompted. Explore PeerStreet's platform and familiarize yourself with the available features. You can now start investing or engaging with the community on PeerStreet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.